Paying with PayPal on a website is a convenient and secure way to make online transactions. To get started, you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have one, you can create it by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. Once you have a PayPal account, follow these steps to pay with PayPal on a website. First, go to the website where you want to make a purchase and add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. When you are ready to pay, click on the Checkout button. On the checkout page, look for the PayPal payment option. It is usually listed along with other payment methods such as credit cards. Click on the PayPal button to select it as your payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal website where you will be prompted to log into your PayPal account. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. If you have multiple payment methods linked to your PayPal account, such as a credit card or bank account, you can choose which one to use for the transaction. Review the payment details to make sure everything is correct, including the amount and the shipping address. If everything looks good, click on the Pay Now button to complete the transaction. You will be redirected back to the website where you made the purchase. And you should see a confirmation message that the payment was successful. You will also receive an email from PayPal confirming the transaction. It is a good idea to review your PayPal account activity regularly to ensure that all transactions are legitimate and to report any suspicious activity to PayPal immediately. Additionally, make sure to only use PayPal on secure websites that have HTTPS in the URL and a lock icon in the address bar. By following these steps and best practices, you can use PayPal to make secure and convenient payments on websites.